In Polen helpen hulpverleners uit heel Europa niet alleen mensen, maar ook dieren. Elke dag gaan ze met konvooien de Oekraïnse grens over om achtergelaten honden en katten op te halen.
We have the Centaurus Foundation for help dogs and save lives, and also cats. And now we have picked up in the last 24 hours a lot of dogs and cats. And now you look if they have their papers, if they have a name, because when I pick up it, we chipped everybody. It is so important, but now we have an option. We can go inside and help them. Everybody says we don't know how long we can stay here. Please save their lives, and we go from house to house to house. The dogs come from all of Ukraine, from the east, 5 from Kiev, and the rest of the cats come from everywhere. They have to stay there 2 weeks, and then they can go around Europe to people who would like to have them.
What do you say to people who think aren't people more important than animals?
Every life is important, and when I can say I can pick up 27 small lives, I say yes, we do it.